Good morning, this is Learn Brizy Page Builder, and in this video we are not going to learn anything except get a little bit information. The world is going crazy and my dogs and cats are leaving rats at my feet while I'm making these videos. That's the way the cookie is crumbling this morning. I want to point you to a deal that Brizy has got going on at AppSumo. Another deal? Yes, but in fact it's not a deal, it's actually a freebie giveaway. So if you go to AppSumo, and I will leave a direct link to the freebie for you in the description below, you will find that Brizy has a Brizy design kit for $0 going on at the moment at appsumo.com. And what this is the design kit that was released last year. 250 nifty crafted blocks, very modernistic, stylistic, and also very creative. Now there's a little snag here. You will tell me, but wait a minute, I already have Brizy Pro or I have Brizy Cloud. Why on earth do I want these blocks separately? Maybe you do, and maybe you don't. And I don't. I can tell you that from the beginning, I don't, because I'm not going to use them for mockups or on any other sites. So these are the concepts that you have to keep in mind. Go have a look here. You can use them for commercial use, for personal or commercial use, and they are mockups. They are great for that. And also, if you want to use them on other sites, well, then you do so. However, and here is that little thing coming in, you need to have Sketch, Invision Studio, or Figma to be able to open these files. If you know what I mean when I say Sketch, Invision Studio, or Figma, then you will know you can use these or not. If you are thinking Photoshop, no. If you think Illustrator, no. Any of those, absolutely no. Only these three. And it's actually very interesting. I went to have a look at Invision Studio because Sketch is only for Mac. Invision Studio, both Mac and PC. I didn't look at Figma yet. And I'm so nervous because I'm getting interested in it and I really don't have the time to go learn a new app, but I'm getting very, very interested in this. So if you are interested, go and check out the link. This is for free. You can get it all for free and it will keep you busy over the weekend. Yep. Enjoy your weekend.